Need a van, call PUREVANS.
So today we're going to show you how to connect your smartphone device up to the Citroen Relay 2019 plate, the new model. It's really straightforward and easy. It's a really cool function on this vehicle. First of all, we're going to press phone. So it's going to bring you to this screen. If you're not on the screen already, press phone, it will bring you to this screen. Once we're on this screen, we're going to click settings. And then when we click settings, you get two options here. You have add device or paired audio. So we haven't paired ours just yet. So you want to press add device. And it's going to start searching for a device. While it's searching for a device, we then go into our Bluetooth on our smartphone. And we go to other devices at the bottom because obviously we haven't connected before. And it should pop up as saying my car. Perfect. So we've got my car at the bottom there. We're going to click on my car. Right, I'm going to click yes on the relay first, then I'm going to click pair on our phone. And we're going to press allow to sync all your contacts so you can make calls on the go, take the offers with you, and we're going to say yes to being a favourite so it's easy to connect in future. Do you want to download your phone book and recent calls? So we're going to click no to that for the time being. So perfect. It's all connected there. As you can see, RJ phone, and it's going to be connected on the smartphone. This will work on both Android and Apple. You can now sync all your contacts up, take your office on the go and make your calls whilst you're on the job.
Need a van, call PUREVANS.